Yeah. Wind your yarn around the cupboard through the notches. These are notches. Good. Yeah, you're doing great. Yeah, very nice. Amazing. The yarn should be tight, but make sure that the cupboard doesn't buckle. Now for the fun part. The weaving begins. Long blades of grass, flowers, leaves, sticks. If it can fit under the yarn, it can be added. Just simply weave your nature findings under and over. Under and over. Under and over. From one side to the other. Weave your flower. Under, yes, over. Yes, under, over. Yeah, under, over. Over and under your yarn. Over and under your yarn. From one side to the other side. Yeah, amazing.